Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sibda Khalid from class 9. Today our model is on the topic of cell. This is animal cell and this is plant cell. Today we will discuss the internal organization of these cells and elaborate some functions. Today I will explain to you about mitochondria. It is a powerhouse of cell because it makes ATP, adenosine triphosphate, by the process of cellular respiration. It has two layers of membrane. Outer membrane, which is smooth, and inner membrane have many enfoldings called cristae. Inside mitochondria, there is a thick fluid called mitochondrial matrix. Only cells of animals and plants, which are eukaryotic cells, have mitochondria. The cell membrane is a thin and protective outer layer of animal cells. Its main role is to control what goes in and out of the cell. The cell membrane acts as a semi-permeable barrier which allows some of the chemicals to pass inside or outside the cell. According to fluid mosaic model, it is a lipid bilayer in which proteins are embedded.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Rohan from class 9th. Today I will conduct the presentation of cell wall. The cell wall is a rigid layer found outside the cell membrane in plant cells. It gives the cell shape, support and production. It is present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. There are two types of cell wall, primary wall and secondary wall. Wall is the first layer of cell wall. It contains primary material called cellulose. On the other hand, thicker secondary wall forms inside the primary layer.
Plastids are originally found in plant and algae cells. They have function like making and storing food. Plastids have three types according to their color. Chloroplasts have their own DNA and ribosome has mitochondria. The green pigment in it is called chlorophyll in stroma. Thylakoid from starch called granum.
Today I will explain you Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus was discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. It has Latin sex called cisterni. It is like the cell's post office. Its function is to modify, sort and package proteins and fats coming from the endoplasmic reticulum. The proteins and fats are packed into small sacs called Golgi vesicles. Some of it are turned into lysosomes.
The cytoplasm is a semi-fluid substance filling the space inside a cell between the nucleus and the cell membrane. It is mostly made of water, salt and organic molecules.
My topic is nucleus. It is covered by a double-layered membrane called nuclear envelope. There are small pores in nuclear envelope called nuclear pores. The dark spot inside the nucleus is called nucleolus. There are thread-like structures inside nucleoplasm called chromatin. During cell division, they are called chromosomes. The jelly-like substance found in nucleus is called nucleoplasm.
The cytoskeleton is a cell skeleton providing its support and shape. It has two main parts, microtubules and microfilaments. Microtubules are tube-like structures made up of tubulin protein. They help the cell keep its shape and
Ribosomes are teeny grain-like structure in cells. It has two parts, a large unit and a smaller unit, which work together to make protein. Ribosomes in prokaryotic cells are smaller than those in eukaryotic cells, but in any cell their main job is to make protein.